Hello, this is Bruce with Lubrication Technologies. Today we're going to go over how to single or twin an ILC divider valve. Just want to make note, the divider valve sections, we have an inlet, we have an end, and then we have an intermediate section. The intermediate section, if we were going to single or twin this, the port pin and ball is found on the right side. On the inlet or the end, the port pin and ball we would have to remove is found on the left side. So let's start with the intermediate element. I simply remove the port pin located on the right side. This is a 2 millimeter Allen head. We take out the port pin, and it's very important that there's also a check ball inside that has to be removed. So that ball has to come out. If you forget to take that ball out, it could get lodged inside and cause blockage. So now what I've done is I've doubled the output of this element. I now have to plug either the left or right side using an ILC divider valve plug. Doesn't matter which side you use, but one side or the other most definitely has to be plugged. Installed using a 5 millimeter Allen wrench. If you try to use both left and right outlet of this divider valve without the port pin and ball installed, the grease has no point of direction and it will go to the path of least resistance. So now that I've shown you how to remove the port pin and check ball, we're going to show you how to reinstall it. So let's say I need to make a design change and I need to use both outlets of this divider valve. I would simply take my 5 millimeter wrench and remove my divider valve plug. We're just going to set that aside. Take our check ball and insert that first. And then our port pin will be installed using our 2 millimeter Allen wrench. That just inserts right inside. And we'll thread that in until tight. Now this divider valve element is ready to be used for outlets on the left and right side properly. Again, if you were to try to use both left and right outlets without the port pin and ball installed, the grease has no direction, the flow has no direction, and it will go to the path of least resistance. To use the left and right outlet, you have to have the port pin and ball installed. So we went over removing our port pin and ball and reinstalling it, the intermediate element. I wanted to go over on our starting element and our end element. The procedure is exactly the same, only the port pin and ball is located on the left side on the inlet element and the end element. So we're just going to take our end element here, and again, if we wanted to use one of these outlets singly, either left or right side, I'm going to remove the port pin, which on our outlet or end element here is located on the left side, and we're going to take that out. So there is our port pin, and then remember there's also a ball located in there. So the ball is not only located in the intermediate, but it's also in the end and the inlet. We have to make sure that that comes out. So now we are ready to plug either the left or right side of this, and this element has essentially become doubled. So I would install my plug in either the left or right side, and we would receive double the value out of this on either the left or right side, your choice. Again, same deal. If we wanted to use the left and right outlet, I simply reinstall the ball back into the left side, and I need to reinstall my port pin on top of the ball. I'm going to take my 2 millimeter Allen wrench and just retighten this on the left side. And now our end element is ready to be used as a single outlet left and a single outlet right.